Okay, the Airshow smoke system is on. And still just skimming the clouds up there, ladies and gentlemen. But here they come, and that airplane that you're looking at is upside down in an inverted flat spin. And you know, there was a time when airplanes got into that predicament that they couldn't get out. You got out if you had a parachute, but you couldn't get out of that maneuver. But these days, of course, with these aerobatic airplanes, you can get out of that great flat spin. You're upside down, spinning around. And ladies and gentlemen, watch how this, there, that's how you get out of it. Very, very nicely done, ladies and gentlemen. And they rejoin now, and they'll be all getting together down at the western end of the field, climbing high into that great sky. Boy, you can really see them up against those clouds today. Coming out of the half-Cuban turnaround maneuver, and they are doing the side up, the other is upside down. And they start to climb directly in front of us, one airplane on the inside, one on the outside. They call this the Marble Loop.
This is hard to do when you're eating ice cream.
At the top of that maneuver, they traded positions where the upside-down plane became right side up for just a few seconds. All right, back down to the east now. Eventually, they don't go any higher, Roy. They just haven't built a plane that'll fly straight up forever. Hard left rudder, it still doesn't keep going forever. Even the space shuttle. Coming down out of those formation hammerheads. Up through the half loop, smoke comes on. Coming down, and one. Airplane all the way down the shoreline. Look how quick that thing rolls around. Alright, then here comes Dan with the square loop, sure. The 8-sided loop. Count them, folks. The big stop sign in the sky. You'll straighten it out right across the top. Down on the diagonal. As he rolls the airplane over. Dan McClung, ladies and gentlemen. As it takes two pilots to fly the performance. And out of the 8-sided loop, stick back airplane climbing high into that beautiful sky. He rolls at 360 degrees, holds it in knife edge. It's called the hammer slide and the tumble turn reverse. Dan, talk us through this next one. like the birthday bumps? I think so, but I look way up there to see Bucks has got the airplane in a flat spin. Oh my goodness, just like the inverted, but right side up. It's coming down 1, 2, 3, 4. He's going to pull it out right there. And again, straight down towards the ground. You want to start pulling it back right here. Look at the speed he is going as he's got lots of airspeed for his next maneuver. He's going to go up, straight up in the sky, rotate the aircraft around. Eventually, it ain't going to go no more. Turn on the gravity right about there. He's going to go backwards through the sky. Airplanes don't like to go backwards very far. There we go, straight down again with the Airshow smoke pouring out of the exhaust of that beautiful aircraft. The field, that's Dan McClung, ladies and gentlemen, in the Talon Eagle as he pushes that airplane right over the top and rolls it, snap rolls it as he comes down on a 45-degree line back down towards does that. Stick comes back, the airplane goes up. Holding it. And a maneuver called the double roll hammerhead. These guys talk all the way through this act. Ooh, that was fun. Okay, once again, Dan goes straight up. Look at him push that airplane over the top. You know, they're undergoing tremendous forces of gravity, both positive and negative. Snap rolls the airplane as he comes back down towards show center again. Oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh. Listen to this. Lots of power, but the airplane is slowed right down when he does that. That is the 375 horsepower Talon Eagle. And as Dan rolls the airplane on a 45-degree line going up, he holds it inverted now and pushes over the top in a rolling reverse half-cubanate maneuver to get turned around. There are 60 ways to turn around. That's okay, into the knife edge. And as he goes down the show line, the 4-point roll. The squirrel cage, or the squirrel cage loop. Just like two squirrels chasing each other around the cage. Great weekend we've had with Dan and Buck and Maria. Ladies and gentlemen, watch this. The tuck under brake. Watch them roll right. My wife says I do that when I sleep. I've been around Airshow so long when I turn under brake. I turn to the right and go left, yeah. She laughs and I do it. Apparently I do. I go the wrong way to get I told her it's the tuck under brake. She probably stood there and just down right side up. You know what this is called. They just told you a few minutes ago. It's the Fireball Pass.